Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. So my friends, this is a continuation of my previous vlog. On my previous vlog, I told you that I'm gonna share my full dinner routine with all of you. You already have seen me while I was making my afternoon tea. I soaked some basmati rice and I soaked some masoor dal. So when after finishing my tea, I came to my kitchen, it was really very easy for me to boil my dal. I just waited for one whistle and it's absolutely ready. And my rice is also ready. So now I'm gonna make chicken curry and dal. So please keep watching. So these are the ingredients that I need for today's dinner preparation. So first of all, I want to tell you that today I'm going to make a typical Bengali style chicken curry with some potatoes inside. So for that, I have marinated my chicken with some yogurt, ginger garlic paste, some oil and 3 types of dry spices like cumin powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder. And here I have cut some cauliflower because I'm going to make some cauliflower pakora. So for that, I have soaked this cauliflower. I have washed it thoroughly and now I have kept it in this bowl. And here I will need some kalonji for my masoor dal to make the tarka of the masoor dal. Some kalonji is there. And here are some chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, 3 pieces of green cardamom and 2 pieces of dry red chili, whole red chili. And here is our favorite potatoes. So with chicken curry, we always love to have some big size of potatoes. So that's our specialty. We love to have our chicken curry in this way. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. And here I'm starting to prepare my chicken curry. So first of all, in this non-stick pan, I have added just 1.5 tablespoon of white oil. And then I have added 2 pieces of green cardamom and 2 pieces of dry red chili. And then a good amount of chopped onion. And now I'm going to mix it really well. You have to be very patient. I told you in my previous vlogs also, whenever you are sauteing your onions. Because if you saute your onion well, then your curry will be like awesome and super tasty. So here I am mixing my onions. And please, my friends, let me know in the comment section how many of you like your chicken curry with big size of potatoes. I would love to know that. Here I want to tell you that I have added just a little amount of sugar and salt into my onion mixture. And now it's time to fry the potatoes. So in the same oil, I'm keeping aside this onion part and now I'm going to fry in the same oil my potatoes. And I have coated my potatoes with some turmeric and pinch of salt. With the turmeric, the color of your potato will be super vibrant. And now you can see I'm frying it really well. I'm not going to deep fry it, but just a little bit of fry will be good enough. And now my potatoes and onions, they look like perfect. And now I'm going to add my marinated chicken into this mixture. And here I want to let you know that I already have added ginger garlic paste into my marinated chicken. So that's the reason I didn't add any extra ginger or garlic into this mixture. So now it's time to give it a very good mix. And you already have seen that I have done some cuts over my chicken pieces. So in this way, your masalas and everything will be incorporated really well with the chicken pieces. It will be more flavorful and more tasty. So here I am giving it a final good mix. Well, now cooking it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now I'm adding my tomato pieces. So after cooking it for 5 to 7 minutes, I always want to add my tomato pieces. Otherwise, your chicken pieces will be little chewy and little hard. So I just don't want to do that. So that's the reason I have added my tomatoes just after 5 minutes. And here I have added 2 cups of water, good amount of water into my chicken mixture. The reason we're going to have it with rice, so this amount of water will be good enough. Otherwise, some people, they prefer to have their chicken curry a little dry. But then it will be perfect for roti or paratha. But since we are going to have it with rice, I think this is a perfect consistency. And here you can see at the same time, I'm just doing a little bit of cleaning because it's a white stove gas oven. You just need to take a very good care of it. So here I am cleaning it a little bit. And here I am preparing for masoor dal. So my chicken curry will take another 10 to 15 minutes to get cooked properly. And here I am making the tarka of my masoor dal. So for that, in this pan I have added 1 tablespoon of mustard oil because we prefer to add mustard oil in my masoor dal. In the mustard oil I have added kalonji and then fenugreek seeds and 1 red chili, dry red chili, and then I have added chopped onion. And now I'm going to mix it well. You can add any kind of tempering in your masoor dal. Some people they prefer to have their masoor dal with jeera. Some people prefer to have it with fennel seeds. But kalonji, it just adds so much of a flavor into your dish. So here I am. And now it's time to add the boiled masoor dal. So please my friends, let me know in the comment section how many of you like masoor dal. I mean, whose favorite dal is masoor dal? For me, I can definitely tell you without a doubt that this dal is my absolute favorite. And I have added 2 cups of water into my masoor dal. It looks like that, it looks perfect. And always this type of masoor dal reminds me of my childhood days. I mean, when I was very small, my mom used to tell me that I was very fond of masoor dal, some potato fries and rice. And now at this point, I'm gonna cover the lid. So some people actually they prefer to add some coriander leaves on top of masoor dal. Actually, this dal can be made in numerous ways. So this is the only simplest way I have shown you. Same time, after cooking for 15 minutes, my chicken curry looks like that. And it looks absolutely ready, almost another 2-3 minutes. And at this point, I have added 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder for extra flavor and extra taste. And now I'm gonna cover the lid and I'll let it cook for another 2-3 minutes. And here you can see in the pressure cooker, I have added water and my cauliflower pieces because since it's little late now, I thought of okay, I can pressure cook my cauliflower, otherwise I can microwave it as well. So you have already seen that my chicken curry is ready and my masoor dal is also ready, and my rice is also ready. Now I am going to fry some cauliflower pakora. Because of the time I didn't put it in the microwave, I just pressure cook it. Just one whistle was good enough for this cauliflower because this is a very small piece. And here I have made a batter. In this batter actually I have put maida, all-purpose flour, then some oil, a little bit of salt, sugar and other grinded spices like cumin and then red chili, just a bit of dhania powder. So yes, in this way I have made this batter, and now I'm going to fry the pakora, so please keep watching. And now it's time to fry the cauliflower pakora one by one. I have coated the marination with the cauliflower pieces very well, and now I'm gonna fry it. So with this kind of masoor dal, we Bengalis, we prefer to have this kind of fries or pakoras. This is a divine combination, but definitely we will need a piece of lime as well. So a piece of lime, hot rice, then some pakora and masoor dal. This is just divine combination. Wow, now look at these pakoras. They are looking absolutely gorgeous and almost ready because I already have pressure cooked my cauliflower pieces. So for that reason, it will take just very less time to get cooked. So look at this my friends, my kitchen is all cleaned up and my gorgeous dinner spread is also ready. So I have made everything. Also I have cut some salad. And here is my absolutely gorgeous looking chicken curry with some potatoes, typical Bengali style chicken curry, and some masoor dal, again Bengali style masoor dal, and some fresh salad. And here is my cauliflower pakora, and with that my gorgeous looking hot basmati rice. So in today's dinner we cannot ask for anything more. I think we're gonna enjoy it with whole heart. So that's all from today's vlog my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed it. In my previous vlog I told you that I'm gonna share my whole dinner routine with recipes with all of you. So here I have shared. I'm feeling so happy now. And please comment down below. Please let me know. Please give me your feedback that how you liked it. and definitely try this recipe in your home. These are very simple. I mean, you can make it in an everyday basis. This chicken curry, you can actually make it in pressure cooker also. On that way, it will be really very easy. And masoor dal and fries. So yes, my friends, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys super soon with a new video. So tata.